In this video, I want to show you how to put your HP SmartTank 5000 in Wi-Fi pairing mode. This way you'll be able to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network, the one at your home or at your office. So if you simply unbox the printer right out of the box after you inserted the paper, the print head and the ink, you see this is the Wi-Fi light. If the Wi-Fi light is blinking blue, it's great. It means that the printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode, ready to be connected. If the blue light over here is not blinking, or maybe there's no light at all, what you need to do to put the printer in Wi-Fi pairing mode, Wi-Fi setup mode, is first of all to keep pressed this I button. Okay, keep it pressed until the whole control panel is lit up. And then you're going to press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both for 3 seconds. 2, 3, and then lift. As you see now, the Wi-Fi button is blinking blue.